Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying power and network so installation isn't interrupted. First, confirm whether your doorbell is battery or hardwired and that your transformer supports 824V AC/DC. Next, test Wi-Fi at the door with your phone. Aim for a reliable 2.4 GHz connection at about -60 dBm or stronger. Once done, lay out your tools, screwdriver, drill, anchors, mounting template, and prepare to remove the old plate. This gets you into the first actionable steps without delay. Now you'll handle wiring and precise mounting while keeping safety in mind. After turning off the circuit, verify 0 voltage with a tester before touching wires, then tuck wires through the gasket to prevent moisture ingress. Hold the mounting plate level, mark holes, and use anchors if mounting to stucco or brick. Tighten screws evenly to avoid crooked alignment. Once physically secure, power the unit and proceed with the app pairing steps. Scan the QR or enter the code, create your account, and grant camera and notification permissions. Finish by configuring features and validating the system end-to-end. In the app, define motion zones and sensitivity so you reduce false alerts, then set quiet hours or notification schedules to suit your routine. Test live view, two-way audio, and any chime or home automation integration. Record short clips to confirm cloud storage and permissions. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Reboot the router, power cycle the doorbell. Move a temporary hotspot closer, or enable access point mode for direct pairing to resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.